Firstly, good morning. I want to express my thank to many people showing some kind of a friendly feeling towards me. So I want to thank. So now today is the last few days. You see many people in different area. You see showing the happy birthday to you with that word, and then I so often telling them the best gift for me at birthday is pay more attention about your own mind, your own emotion. Because now 80 years old person is passing through difficult life. At age 16, I lost my freedom. At the age 24, I lost my own country. There are a lot of problems. During this period, the best friend, best reliable friend is my own intelligence or warm-heartedness. That really gives me inner strength, inner peace. So I want to share my brothers, sisters, and particularly those young brothers, sisters. Now please pay some attention about our inner value so that your life can be more peaceful, more happier one. So I think today's world, we very much oriented about material value. I think not sufficient pay attention about our inner value, so that if something goes wrong slightly, or shouting, anger, frustration, if we pay more attention about our inner value, then no matter what sort of surrounding situation, you can keep peace of mind. So that peace of mind, even health viewpoint, physical health, very important. Now some medical scientists, now they say constant fear, constant anger is actually eating our immune system. So in order to keep a healthy body, peace of mind is very essential. Sometimes we call, in order to achieve healthy body, we also need healthy mind. So irrespective whether believer or not non-believer, you see, it is really worthwhile. Think the very sort of the system of the emotion or mind. So that I want to share my brothers, sisters. So then that I really feel, you see, very happy. So that's best gift of my birthday. If other hand you express happy birthday, but your own mental state, a lot of frustration, a lot of anger, then that's the, I think, worst kind of gift for happy birthday. Thank you.